everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today is I'm going to announce my giveaway. And so have been in business for 3 years. I've had an Etsy shop for 3 years, also a YouTube channel for 3 years. July 4th opened my Etsy shop. No, YouTube came first, then July 5th I opened my Etsy shop. So I'm had my 3rd anniversary, so I'm gonna give away 3 earrings or 3 things from my Etsy shop. If you get chosen, the 3 people that do get chosen will get to choose something from the Etsy shop. Now, if I have a male that wins, I've got some beads that I'm gonna turn into like a bracelet. And so for, if a male were to win. So how do you get in the drawing? Well, I've got a Facebook group, and I'm gonna put the link to that below, and all you have to do is join the Facebook group. I will see your name that you joined my group, and then you're in the drawing. And I will, on Wednesday, this upcoming Wednesday, I'll do the I will see who wins. I'll pick the winners on this upcoming Wednesday. So I hope you win, and I hope you join my Facebook group and like it, and then have a great day. I just wanted to announce my giveaway. Also, I want to say thank you. I know the people that watch my videos, you all don't have to. You don't have to, take your time, but you take time out of your busy day and you come to the Jewelry Spot and you watch me make my items, and sometimes we chat on the lives. And so I don't want to let the moment go without saying thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for your support, and I'm sure I couldn't be here without you, because I probably would have given up a while ago. But I've met some really, really good people, and I enjoy what I do. I like making my jewelry, my earrings, and appreciate the support. It's been 3 years, and let's see if we can have some more. Bye-bye. Don't forget to join the Facebook group so you can win. Have a good night.